Hey guys, my name is Rami El Sebai and made my way over from Australia to get my teeth done with the best people in the business in Turkey. That is the Tower Dental Clinic. The guys were pretty helpful, very professional as well. So they pretty much take care of the hotel, transportation and everything. Came to Turkey to get 20 crowns as well as root canals, and the procedure went more than I was expected, and the result is astonishing, as you can see. Recommend this place to whoever wanted to get their teeth done around the world. Trust me, you won't even regret it.